Let's discuss part 3 of structures and functions. In the previous presentation, we have learned how to pass structure variable as argument. Now in this presentation, we will learn how to pass pointer to structure as argument. So let's get started. If the size of the structure is very large, then passing the copy of the whole structure is not at all efficient. Let me tell you that if the size of the structure is very large, then it is not a good practice to pass the whole copy of the structure. The better choice is obviously to pass the address of the structure. You can use the arrow operator to access the structure members inside the called function. In the called function, you can use this arrow operator to access the structure members. And here's how you can do that. I'm considering here the example where I'm passing the addresses of P1 and P2 to this print function one by one, and then I will access the members within this print function using the pointer. Here you can see I have declared P1 variable of type struct point. This P1 variable is initializing the members, that is X and Y, with these values, that is 23 and 45. Similarly, P2 variable is also initializing these members with these values, that is 56 and 90. With the first print call, I'm passing the address of P1. You can clearly see over here, I'm passing the address of P1. And in the second print call, I'm passing the address of P2. So basically, I'm passing these addresses one by one. These addresses will be received by pointer one by one, right? First, the address of P1 is received by the pointer. This pointer contains the address of P1. Here in this printf function, we are calling the members associated with P1 variable using this arrow operator because PTR contains the address of P1 initially. So it is the case that we are accessing the member value associated with P1. Obviously this member is X. So we are asking for the value of X which is initialized by P1, right? And similarly here we are asking the value of Y which is initialized by P1. These values will get printed on the screen using printf function. And then after that we are calling this print function again, but here in this time we are passing the address of P2 and not the address of P1. So obviously we are asking the values of X and Y initialized by P2, right? So the output of this program is 23, 45, 56, 90. Here in this case obviously we are passing the addresses and not the copies of the variables. So it should be well understood that this practice is good in the case when the structure is very large in size. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.